one of our old fans and it fell over and the blades broke. Sorry that the AC's running. We're loading up the old couch. That was a great Ashley's Furniture couch. The whole set was $5,000 new. I got it for $375. Oh, I guess about 10 years ago at an auction. It was a floor model. It was brand new. I mean, it was brand, there wasn't any use on it. It was perfect, and we ragged it out, our animals ragged it out, but it's such a good sitting couch. You can sleep on it. It just needs covers put over it. I've tried to clean it. I don't have the proper equipment to clean it, but we're going to give it to Mary and Gary for them to put in their barn and put blankets over it. It doesn't matter, but it will be something very comfortable for them to sit on instead of those stupid lawn chairs. You know, after a while, a lawn chair will just cut your blood off to your legs. I don't care how well designed they are. I haven't found one yet that doesn't hurt my leg, my blood flow. So it beats taking it to the dump because it's solid, it's not broken. The cushions are, everything's still in great shape. So it's just dirty. That's all. And they'll cover it and use it in the barn, and I'll be very happy. Plus, we're giving them old carpet that we pulled out of the cabin. They will use that on the dirt in the barn, and that will help them immensely keep from tracking dirt inside the camper. So they're home working, and we're fixing to load it up and take it. Okay. Like we picked it up before, and I guess you'll have to struggle to get it flipped over. Your tailgate ain't good. Oh, my ankle just twisted. Okay, flip it forward. All I can do is hold it. You do the momentum forward and I'll walk. Tell me when to walk. I can't see nothing. Ooh. You wait. You need to get up in there. Oh, I didn't mean to get your head. You get up in there. I'm holding it. You're trying to yell at me. I can't hear. The air. Say when. You didn't say when, Kevin. You didn't say when. Here we go. I couldn't hear nothing. Yeah, I need hearing aids. I'm sure something. But you know, insurance doesn't cover it. They want way too much money with the economics that we have today on fixed income. We're not going to get hearing aids. We're going to be saying, huh, until the cows come home. This is an example of asking around upcycle. Try to keep stuff out of the dump. They'll probably get a couple of years out of this out there, hopefully, till they can get their house built. They can keep it, you know, on wood or block or something, and, you know, get some use out of it. Pay it forward, upcycle, plus it keeps us from having to take it to the dump and paying a dump fee. So, you know, it's a win-win for everybody. Like I said, it's not great, but it's great for sitting. Just a good cover is all it needs. Kevin's gonna unhook this gas heater. And you know, it's a good old gas heater. And I'm gonna sell this one I have a modern new one somewhere we've taken out that I've offered to Mike at DD5, and I need to just take it over there and see if he wants it. Drop that thing on my toe. I know better than to have sandals on out here. But this is evening time. We went and delivered that couch to Dr. Jim in the old closet. This is after dinner. Said it won't never be nearly as hot. I can't get this man to get up before 8:30. He said he's retired.
That's right, I'm retired.
I get out before, well, I usually do it before 6. I have been sleeping to 6:30. Only if the cat lets me. And now it's getting to where the dogs don't even get up with me. They stay in the bed with him. I thought country folk got up early.
That's city boy, isn't he?
I'm so excited to get this done, y'all, but we still have to turn on the water. We got to do that like early in the morning in case we have all kind of leaks and have to run to the hardware store and all that kind of stuff. We found out that our water meter is over behind the neighbor's house, so we have to go over there and meet them and get their phone number in case we ever have to go over there in the middle of the night so we don't get shot. I have never heard of anything like that before in my life.
Inside your chest that calls on you to cry. You decided it was time for him to fly out of the darkness and into the light, higher and higher out of sight. The whisper inside your heart tells you let go. Time to leave the past. You did what you knew. Slow down and rest. You've been through a war. No one can hurt you anymore. Behind closed eyes, memories unfold. Hidden secrets. There's a song inside your soul.
Look at this nail, y'all. That's why the boards ain't coming out and they're so dry, they're just breaking. Nothing we can do about it, but I'll be able to salvage pieces off. I was just pulling nails right now. Like I said, we'd probably be better off just to drive some of them in.
Well, I don't know what I'm driving into.
True.
It's so big.
When they used it, it was green. Oh, the nail. Maybe they thought the wood was gonna warp. Could be they put it up green. I wanted to ask y'all, what do you think about if we do a live? Not every week. We don't have that much to talk about. But we thought, since we're doing this cabin, some of y'all might like to talk to us about it. And you might have some information that we could use. We do know a bit about construction and stuff, but we were thinking about doing a live at least maybe once every 2 weeks or once a month. I don't know. It's a scary thing to do live, but you get to talk to y'all, and we get to meet y'all that way instead of just commenting on the videos, which we love the comments, we appreciate it. But we were thinking that maybe, y'all might like to ask us some questions. And Kevin will talk. He does talk, but he really doesn't. He's very, very, very shy. And he will talk. But he said he would help me by reading comments. And that's a hard job. So, let me know what y'all think. Should we do it live? But, we know our reality. We know 10, 15 years, we'll be moving or downsizing, or, we'll just see how our health goes out. If Kevin kicks off first, I'm making this a commune. A commune. We'll have all my old lady friends. We're gonna come and we're gonna go thrifting every day. Lonnie's my girlfriend guy. He'll come and cook for us. Yeah, we may end up, our place is so big, we may end up having to add on to it and make it the YouTube retirement home. Yeah, you can see the dirt that's between the boards. Well, it may not just be dirt. I don't know that I'll get that off. I will scrub it though. I've got to go get some magic erasers. Those things work miracles. I'll probably go through 20 of them just on one room. Magic erasers will clean a lot of this up. I know they're expensive, and don't buy the knockoff in magic erasers. Let me tell you, the real deal is a lifesaver for people with bad hands.
So all this trim up top that I get took off, all the trim on the bottom, all the trim around the window.
Well, let's not do any more tonight. we need to take a break from it. And tomorrow well, no, not tomorrow. Next week. No, just forget it. So as we end today, I'm going to be adding, since I already have the porch cleared off, well, this nail is already here. So I'm going to add this candle holder here. It's just a perfect spot. And then I have this, and I had thought about making it the mouth on the side of the house, but it's too big. And I actually have some nails right here, and I'm just going to stick it there for right now. Just starting to load the porch up with things, and I have a lot of things. But we don't want to get anything we'll really knock off while we're bringing things in and out. But that's what we're doing at the end of the day today, and it's time to say until then, y'all.
Soft, turn the key and cooler on. Push the pause for